Hello student, in last lecture we have seen algorithm of two-phase method. Now in this lecture we will see some problems on two-phase method. First problem on two-phase method is solve the given LPP by using two-phase method, and a problem is given as minimum z equal to x1 plus x2 subject to constraint 2x1 plus x2 greater than equal to 4. Second condition is x1 plus 7x2 greater than equal to 7, x1 x2 greater than equal to 0. So this is the problem we have to solve by using two-phase method. Okay, so what is the first step? If check the given problem is maximization or minimization. If the problem is minimization, then we have to convert in the form of maximization. So here problem is minimization, so therefore we have to convert into the maximization. Okay, so by using objective function maximum z star equal to minus minimum z, so this can be converted as minus x1 minus x2. So this is the conversions of the minimum to maximization. Okay, now what is next step? Now we will introduce here surplus variable because there are greater than equal to sign. This is greater than equal to sign and this is also greater than equal to sign. Okay, if there is greater than equal to sign, then we will introduce their surplus variable as well as artificial variable. Okay, so introducing surplus variable x3 greater than equal to 0 with artificial variable a1 for this condition. Then second, x4 greater than equal to 0 with artificial variable a2 for second condition. Okay, so after introducing this surplus and artificial variable into the this constraint, and the given constraint can be converted in the form of equality form as follows, that is 2x1 plus x2 minus x3 plus a1 equal to 4. Second constraint is x1 plus 7x2 minus x4 plus a2 equal to 7. Okay, so x1, x2, x3, x4 and a1, a2 greater than equal to 0. So let us reconsider equation number 1. Now we will construct the first simplex table. Okay, so what is the first simplex table? First column is YB, second column is CB, XB equal to B, Y1, Y2, Y3, Y4, A1, A2. Okay, so what are the basic variable as well as non-basic variable? So YB means uh, slack variable, or we can say that artificial variable. So here A1, A2, A1, A2, CB means C5, C6, minus 1, minus 1. XB means A1, A2, XB column 4, 7, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 0 means coefficient of this equation, first equation. Then 1, 7, 0, minus 1, 0, 1 means coefficient of this equation number 2. Okay, so in this way we can take the elements from equation number 1. Now maximum z star equal to cb xb, so this is the given formula. So if you calculate cb into xb, cb means minus 1, minus 1, xb means 4, 7, so minus 1 into 4, that is minus 1, plus minus 1 into 7, that is minus 7, minus 4 minus 7, that is minus 11. Then cj means c1, c2, c3, c4, c5, c6. So here we have find out the c1, c2 up to c6, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 1. Now zj, what is the formula of zj? cb into yj means minus 1, z1 means cb into y1, so minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2, plus minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, so minus 2 minus 1, that is minus 3. Similarly we will find out z2 means cb into y2, minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1, plus minus 1 into 7, that is minus 7, so minus 1 minus 7, that is minus 8. So in this way we can find out z3 means cb into y3, minus 1 into minus 1, that is 1, minus 1 into 0, that is 0, so is plus 1 plus 1. Okay, then z4 means minus 1 into 0, 0, minus 1 into minus 1, that is 1. So in this way Z 5 means minus 1 into 1, then minus 1 into 0, that is minus 1. So in this way we can find out all the values of Zj. Then Zj minus Cj, minus 3 Zj minus Cj. So minus 3 0 means minus 3, minus 8 minus 0 means minus 8, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 0 means 1. So here 1, so here 0 and 0. Okay, so in this way we can find out the Zj minus Cj. Okay, so according to our algorithm, okay, so here some values of Zj minus Cj are negative. Okay, so in this table we will not get the optimal solution. Okay, so here some values of Zj minus Cj are negative, so therefore this table will not give the optimum solution. To obtain the optimum solution, we have to find out the minimum ratio, incoming vector, and as well as key element. So first we will find out the incoming vector. Incoming vector means select the most negative value in Zj minus Cj, that is 8. So corresponding vector y2 is called as the incoming vector. Then outgoing vector, how will you find out the outgoing vector? So by using minimum minimum ratio xb upon incoming vector. Incoming vector means y1. So incoming vector means y1. So here xb means 4 divided by incoming vector is 1. 4 divided by 1 is 4. Then 7 divided by 7 means 1. So here minimum ratio is 1. So therefore corresponding vector, that is a2. a2 is outgoing vector. Okay. So here y2 is incoming vector and a2 is outgoing vector. The intersection of these two is 7. So 7 is a key element. Okay. Now we will construct the second simplex table. Okay. So what is the changes in second simplex table? A1 is as it is, CB minus 1 as it is, XB is 3 as it is. Incoming vector is y2. Okay. So take y2. So what is C2 means 0. Okay. C2 means 0. Then what is next step? Now find out the elements. So divide this row by key element. So we will get 1 1 by 7 1, 0 minus 1 by 7 0, 1 by 7. Okay. Now so this element can be obtained by using calculation. We know that the calculations. So 3 13 by 7 0 minus 1 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 1 by 7. We know that the calculation of these uh, numbers or elements. Okay, so in this way we can find out all the elements. So z star equal to cbxb, so that is minus 1 into 3, that is minus 1, plus 0 into 1, that is 0, that is minus 3. Cj means c1 c2 c3 c4 c5 c6, and zj means cb into yj. So similarly we can find out the zj, then zj minus cj. So in this way we can find out the second simplex table. Okay, so again we will observe Zj minus Cj values. So here Zj minus Cj value are negative. So therefore this table will not give the optimum solution. Okay, so again we have to find out the third simplex table. So for that we have to calculate income vector, outgoing vector, and key element. Okay, so here minus 13 by 7 is the most negative value of Zj minus Cj. So therefore corresponding vector y1 is a incoming vector. Now we will find out the outgoing vector. Outgoing vector is xb divided by y1 by calculating minimum ratio of xb upon incoming vector. So therefore xb means 13 by 7 divided by incoming vector is 1 3 upon 13 by 7, so that is 21 by 13. And second is xb means 1 divided by 1 by 7 is 7. Okay, so 21 by 13, this is a minimum ratio. Therefore the corresponding vector, that is y1 will lose the basis, will lose the table. So therefore here incoming vector is y1, a2 is outgoing vector, and 13 by 7 is a key element. Now we will construct the third simplex table. Okay, so yb, what are the changes yb? So a2 replaced by inc vector, that is y1, y2 as it is. So corresponding cb value is 0 0. So xb is so taking dividing this element by key row, so by key element. So this is the key row, so we will find out the elements by dividing this key element. So we can calculate in this way. So again, by using calculation pattern, our calculation, we can find out the other elements. So therefore z star is cb xb. If you calculate cb into xb, you will get the 0. Then cj is 0 0 minus 1 minus 1. Zj, if you calculate, you will get the 0 0 0 and so on. Zj minus cj is 0 0 0 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, so here all the values of zj minus cj are greater than equal to 0. So in this case, we will get the optimum solution. Okay, so in two-phase method, there are three cases. So out of these three cases, here case number third is applied. Okay, so what is the third number case? If third number case, uh, zg minus cj greater than equal to 0 and maximum z star equal to 0 and no artificial variable present in the basis. In this way, in this way, we will obtain the uh, optimum solution. So then go to phase 2 method. Okay, so now we will go to turn over the phase 2 method. So for this phase 2 method, we will construct the starting simplex table. Okay, so for this, we will construct the modified objective function. Our original objective function maximum z star minus x1 minus x2 plus 0 x3 plus 0 x4 plus 0 a1 plus 0 a2, our original uh, objective function. Okay, so what we have to here, यहाँ पे सिर्फ आपको जहाँ पे cb है, cb की वैल्यू चेंज करना है, और बाद में cg की वैल्यू चेंज हो जाएगा, zg भी चेंज हो जाएगा और zg माइनस cg भी चेंज हो जाएगा. ओके, सो yb y1 y2 as it is. cb means c1 c2 minus 1 minus 1 and other all elements are same as it is. So only changes is, so here we have to remove artificial variable a1 a2. If you remove artificial variable a1 a2 and other elements as it is, these elements will remain as it is. These elements will remain as it is. Okay, only changes is c1 c2 and cj and zj, so corresponding zj minus cj. So here will be um, change. Okay, so c1 means minus 1, c2 means minus 1, a1 a2 cancelled. So therefore maximum z star cb into xb. So by calculating this minus cb into xb, so you will get minus 31 by 13. cj means minus 1 minus 1, c1 c2 c3 c4. c1 is minus 1, c2 is minus 1, c3 is 0 0. Then corresponding zj, cb into yj means minus 1 minus 1, 6 by 13, 1 by 13. So in this way, zj minus cj is 0 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 0 minus 1 plus 1 0, 6 by 13 minus 0, that is 6 by 13 and 1 upon 13. So in this way, we can calculate all the values of zj minus cj. So if you observe from this table, all the values of zj minus cj greater than equal to 0. So therefore this table will give the optimum solution. Okay, so hence the optimum basic feasible solution to the given LPP is x1 is 21 by 13, x1 is 21 by 13 and x2 is 10 by 13. So this is the optimal points. Okay, so putting the values of x1 and x2 in our original problem. So what is the original objective function? Maximum z star equal to minus x1 minus 2. Okay, so putting the values of x1 x2 and calculating minus 30, calculating, you will get minus 31 divided by 13. Okay, but our problem in the form of minimization, so therefore we have to convert into minimization. So therefore the required optimum solution is minimum z equal to minus minimum z star, and which is given as minus minus plus 31 by 13. So this is the simple problems on a two-phase method. So in this way, we can calculate linear programming problem by using two-phase method.